Welcome to BizQuery AI, your sovereign data analyst designed to put enterprise-grade intelligence directly on your desktop and mobile. By running entirely offline with a local LLM, we ensure your sensitive business data stays private and secure on your own hardware. Simply upload your files and ask questions in plain English, no coding or SQL expertise required. From interactive charts to automated business narratives, BizQuery transforms your data into strategic decisions, instantly and securely.
In this case study, the RevOp user is looking to evaluate unit economics and channel efficiency. By narrowing the scope to non-churned customers in France, the user is filtering out the noise of lost revenue to focus on the current active book of business. The core objective is to determine which acquisition channels are most effective at landing high-value contracts for different business sizes. This allows the team to see if a channel that works for small to medium business also scales effectively for enterprise clients, or if certain channels are specialized gold mines for specific segments. The BizQuery AI data analyst processed the localized data to produce a granular breakdown of average monthly recurring revenue, MRR. Segment and acquisition channel columns categorize the revenue source. BizQuery performed an intersectional analysis, showing that a channel's value isn't universal. It depends on who is being targeted. For example, while paid social is highly effective for both segments, averaging over $4,000, direct sales are significantly more skewed toward high-value enterprise contracts. Average MRR is the pulse of the business. By calculating the mean MRR specifically for non-churned accounts, BizQuery provides a realistic view of what a healthy account is worth today. The AI highlighted a massive disparity in the referral channel. In France, SMB referrals are high-value $3,500, whereas enterprise referrals are unusually low, $510. This specific data point, which would be buried in a global report, is surfaced immediately by BizQuery's natural language processing. These localized insights allow the RevOp lead to transition from guessing to surgical strategy. The data shows that paid social is a powerhouse for both SMB and enterprise in France. The user might decide to increase budget here, knowing it consistently yields high MRR across the board. The low enterprise referral MRR, $510, suggests that the current referral motion might be attracting the wrong type of enterprise lead in France. The user can decide to pause this program or investigate why these enterprise referrals aren't converting at a higher value. Since Direct is the top performer for enterprise $4,400, the user can justify hiring more field sales reps in France to pursue direct outreach, as the data proves this channel produces the highest individual contract values. Instead of applying a global acquisition strategy, the team can now build a France-specific playbook that leans into SMB referrals and enterprise direct outreach, maximizing the ROI of every marketing dollar spent in that specific country.
The Visualization tab instantly transforms your data into professional charts that tell a visual story. Choose from bar charts, trend lines, or pie charts to see your sales by region, revenue trends over time, or customer segments at a glance, then export the chart as an image to drop directly into presentations or reports. The Analyze Results feature performs deep analysis by identifying trends, anomalies, and actionable business insights from the data. It returns a structured narrative that explains the why behind the numbers, transforming raw query results into strategic recommendations. BizQuery AI Data Analyst now introduces interactive dashboards and scheduled reporting. Save important query results as visual widgets on a customizable dashboard grid, allowing you to monitor key business metrics instantly, without rerunning queries. Automate query execution on recurring schedules, daily, weekly, or monthly, with support for CSV and PDF exports, threshold-based desktop alerts, persistent KPI monitoring, and automated business insights. Transform your raw data into a proactive AI-powered analytics workspace with real-time visibility and intelligent reporting workflows. Stop wrestling with complex SQL and waiting on IT. With BizQuery AI, you can audit performance and uncover operational friction using simple English queries. Get instant, deterministic insights and professional charts directly on your desktop or mobile. Deploy locally today and transform your spreadsheets into a sovereign central brain.